Alright, today I got a cab for a 1966 Chevrolet C10. I got a 66 C60 back behind me that is going to be the new shop truck. I need something to carry metal. That's what I found. So, it is a as I come across stuff kind of project. So, I came across this cab, guy was giving it away. The whole bottom is pretty much just rusted out. So, the main reason I wanted it was for the roof skin. On mine, so they cut a hole in it and put a one of them aftermarket sunroofs that pop up. I'm going to keep the dash as well, not for the truck, but because decorative project later. And steering wheel, steering column. So I got some big sawzall blades. I'm going to go ahead and hack this thing up real quick.